99% of U.S. counties have experienced a flood since 1998. Just 1 inch of water can cause roughly $25,000 of damage to your property. A nationwide survey revealed that 15 million U.S. homes are at risk of flooding, a figure 70% higher than FEMA estimates. Climate change, hurricane season, severe flooding, and snow melt. When disaster strikes, introducing the Aqua Drain Caddy, keep your home safe in rising water. Set up in less than 30 seconds. 80% of the time is saved on cleaning flooded areas. Affordable and a true lifesaver.